What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Jlab Go Air Pop. These are coming with a price tag of only 20 bucks. So it's crazy to think just how far true wireless tech has come in just a few short years. In the very beginning, it seemed like your only option was to shell out about 160 bucks for a pair of AirPods. And now in 2021, a spare $20 bill out of your purse or wallet can get you some pretty good true wireless earbuds like the Go Air Pop. So let's go ahead and check these out, starting off with the charging case. So you're getting a nice compact size, you've got a matte finish all the way around, and you do have a single LED indicator on the front of the case to help you gauge your battery life. You got some branding featured on the lid, and then on the bottom of the case is where you have your built-in USB-A cable. It's not really my favorite design having the cable built into the case, but at this price point, I'm perfectly fine with it. And if you're on the go a lot, it's just one less thing that you have to keep track of. Once you open the case, you can see the earbuds inside. You've got some decently strong magnets keeping the earbuds in place, and overall the build quality feels really good. It certainly doesn't scream $20. Moving over to the earbuds, they're also fairly compact in size. You've got some Jlab branding featured on the touch surface, and these are giving you full playback controls. So you get your play and pause, your track forward, your track backward, volume controls, and your voice assistant. So it's very convenient that you can control the earbuds without needing to grab for your phone. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.1, and they're using SBC and AAC as their audio codecs. They are supporting independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. In terms of battery life, you're looking at roughly 8 hours on a single charge, and that extends to a total of 32 hours with the case, which is some pretty impressive battery life, especially at this price. And then in terms of water resistance, these have an IPX4 rating, which makes them sweat and splash proof, so these will be a perfectly good pair of earbuds for the gym. Once you get the earbuds in your ear, you do get a voice prompt that lets you know that they're connected, and it also lets you know their battery percentage. So that way you'll know approximately how much listening time you have. As far as the fit, due to the smaller size, you are able to get a nice snug fit. You can play around with the different size ear tips that are included in the box to get the best setup for your ears. But whether you have small, medium, or large ears, you should definitely be able to get a nice secure fit with these, which is also another reason they would be great for the gym. And like I said, the touch controls are giving you all of your playback controls. So again, you don't have to reach for your phone to control your music. Now, in terms of sound quality, these are coming with 3 built-in EQ settings. First off, you have the balance setting, which is exactly that. It gives you a nice even sound across all frequencies so that none of them are really overpowering the other. Then you have your bass boost setting, which really scales up that bass. It can sound a little bit bloated or muddy at times, but if you're looking for that aggressive bass response, it certainly accomplishes that. And then you have Jlab Signature, which gives you more of that V-shaped sound, so boosted bass, but also boosted treble. So you get that bass, but you're also able to hear your vocals and everything very clearly. And personally, this is my preferred EQ setting to listen to music. And on top of all of that, they're giving you some great max volume. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, guys, this is a microphone test. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. They don't do the best job at canceling out, background noise, but for the price, you can't really expect top tier microphone quality. I think in most scenarios, you should be okay taking calls with these, but if it is a noisy environment, just keep in mind that they don't cancel out noise very well. So overall, for only $20, these are giving you some amazing value. You're getting a really great fit, some great sound with those 3 built-in EQ settings, and full touch controls. So needless to say, these are a no-brainer if you're looking to get the most bang for your buck. So that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in grabbing a pair of these earbuds, be sure to check out the links down in the description. If you found the video to be helpful, do me a favor and give it a like, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.